I can either publish this website and share it with my stakeholders, or I can always come back and manage it the way I want. So for instance, when I get into settings, I get to manage my pages. So I can rename them, delete them, add a new page, and perform these operations. We also have settings for menus, where we can swap the different menus and the way or the order in which they are presented. And finally, we can always come back and change the template of our microsite. So with this, I'm just going to go ahead, publish my portal. And over here, we get the URL link, which we just have to simply copy and share among our stakeholders, and they can get started on consuming these data insights. So with that, we saw how we can have interactive reports or data insights on our data stories, how it's a very simple process, just drag and drop, and we had explored a number of creative elements right here. But what is it when it comes to data governance, or how are we going to control who accesses these data insights? So for that, let me go back to my settings page. So I'm going to add a new user for this particular portal, and I'm also going to show you how we can define access controls for this particular user. So let me just key in their email address to invite new users. Over here, I can define the page permission, so I can either inherit the permission from Zoho Analytics, or I can also customize the permission over here. Now, once I've added the user, I can go ahead and redefine the permissions or edit the page access that they have. So as you can see, we can either enable or disable certain pages that they get to view. So in this case, we again have some free options that you can choose from, and we can actually filter out the data that they get to view and what are the permission controls that they have. So do they get to drill down? Do they get to access Zia Insights, and so on?